Hello guys, in this video I'll tell you the ways a smartphone can be hacked and how to protect your smartphone from hacking. So let's begin. In this video I'll not tell you how to hack a smartphone, rather I'll tell you some points on how your smartphone can be hacked and what you should do to protect your smartphone. In this channel, you will get computer and smartphone tips, tricks and tutorial. So subscribe and stay tuned. Number 1. Spy apps. Go through your app list for ones you don't recognize. Download a mobile security app. For Android, you can use Bitdefender or MCAFE. Number 2. Phishing messages. Avoid clicking links from numbers you don't know, or incuriously vague messages from friends, especially if you can't see the full URL. Number 3. Unauthorized access to iCloud or Google account. Enable two-factor authentication so that even if someone discovers your password, they can't access your account without access to your phone. Number 4. Bluetooth hacking. Only turn your Bluetooth on when you are actually using it. Don't pair a device in public to avoid falling prey to malicious pairing requests. Always download security updates to patch vulnerabilities as soon as they are discovered. Number 5. SIM swapping. Don't use guessable numbers as your carrier PIN, like your birthday, all of which could be found on your social media. Use strong passwords and multi-factor authentication for all your online accounts to minimize the risk of a hack that can reveal personal information used to hijack your SIM. Number 6. Hacked phone camera. Always download security updates for all apps and your device. Number 7. Apps that over-request permissions. Read app permissions and avoid downloading apps that request more access than they should need to operate. Even if an app's permissions seem to line up with its function, check reviews online. Number 8. Snooping via open Wi-Fi networks. Only use public Wi-Fi networks that are secured with a password and have WAP2 or 3 enabled, where traffic is encrypted by default during transmission. Download a VPN app to encrypt your smartphone traffic. If you must connect to a public network and don't have a VPN app, avoid entering in login details for banking sites or email. Turning on two-factor authentication for online accounts will also help protect your privacy on public Wi-Fi. Number 9. Apps with weak encryption. Check app reviews online before downloading, not only on App Stores or Play Store but on Google search for sketchy behavior that other users may have reported. If possible, only download apps from reputable developers. Number 10. SS7 Global Phone Network Vulnerability. Choose email or an authentication app as your two-factor authentication method instead of SMS. Use an end-to-end encrypted message service that works over the internet, such as WhatsApp, Signal and WeCarMe. All encrypt messages and calls, preventing anyone from intercepting or interfering with your communications. Be aware that if you are in a potentially targeted group, your phone conversations could be monitored and act accordingly. Number 11. Malicious charging stations. Don't plug into unknown devices, carry a wall charger. If a public computer is your only option to revive a dead battery, select the charge only option. Number 12. Fake cellular towers like FBI Stingray. Use encrypted messaging and voice call apps, particularly if you enter a situation that could be of government interest, such as protest. So, these are some pre-measures which you can take to protect your smartphone from being hacked. Thanks for watching the video till end. Subscribe our channel for more informative videos.